Still at the resort. So I gotta go downstairs to check out the I gotta check out the transportation to the airport. Digging up something back here. Yeah. Good morning, guys. It's a beautiful morning this morning. We're still here in Jamaica. It's been going great so far. You know, quite a bit of activities and restaurants to eat from, drink every day. Yeah. Nice and sunny. Hurricane Pass. You know, it's kind of windy still, but not too hot. In the daytime it gets kind of hot, but not crazy hot. As you can tell, it's kind of windy. Nice and sunny. Excuse me. Yeah. Nice and sunny. Yeah. Breakfast time done already. Get some breakfast. Unload. Oh, I need to go down at the gift shop. Check out the gift shop. We'll find out now. If you see one, if you see 7 up or so, we no problem. Frontier will always be the last. So turn over.
We would be pleased to check any excess over.
Not too far. Only at the end of the road, that's it. Yo, you want to see me up? When we finally reach people and say, yo, you're still early. It's crazy. I waste some money on that right now. Different mission with the phone. Even so, it's a different mission with the phone.
The following passengers
Real deal right now.
Flight 124 with 7 into Atlanta, Adrian Barbo, party of 3, Brennan Broad, party of 2, Ricardo Bryan, Rory Campbell, Edith Caniero, Noel Charles, Brandon Crawford, Anaya Crawford, Christian Cross, party of 3, Tisha Simpson, Angelina Sy, and Dee Spites. Please make your way here to gate number 1 for document verification.
Powder, yo. Powder. Right? How go on?
That's a blood.
Yeah, dude.
You good?
Yeah, I'm there. Everything, yeah, I'm gonna go back. Yeah, there for a few days. I may look at me and say, wait, no cleave it in the powder that. Alright, yo, yeah.
Jessica Johnson, party of 3, Randall Thomas, party of 3, Andre Tuen, that's the low, and the number 64,
Gonna walk 100 miles to customs. Oh, 15 minutes now or more. That's crazy. The airport is big, enough walking.